What's up, people? This is Talks with the Director, and we are in Hattiesburg, Mississippi tonight with the Troy Last Band, and yeah, we're at Brewski's. So I'm going to give y'all a little vlog tour of what's happening, and y'all can see what it's like as we set up for sound check. Jericho's over there, ready to sing. We've done a little vlog footage for the YouTube. Yes. So she be the one that be woo.
That be what?
Woo.
Made me sound like I'm yours.
Woo.
Y'all make some noise!
How the cheerleaders be?
Hey, do these glasses look weird or do they look okay?
Do they look
Move
weird?
the hoodie. I feel like the Klan when I put the hood on.
Okay, no, we're gonna definitely we're gonna remove the hood, Tim.
All right.
So we're actually gonna go to the stage right now, so y'all can actually see what it's like for a sound check. So now I'm about to just show y'all what it's like for a sound check with the Troy Last Band. So he's setting up right now. Drums, guitar. What's up, Jake? I'm on the vlog for the YouTube. What's poppin'? We got Al over here. He's setting up his drum.
About to get ready, baby. We getting boogie tonight. I love Brewski's.
So tell us about all of the different pieces you got to put together for the drum kit.
So right now I have my 10-inch drum with the blue Remo head. It's a Brett set. Got my kick drum right here, 18 by 22.
Okay.
And I was setting up my snare drum, rolling SPDSX drum pad. That's my simple setup for the night.
Okay.
That's how I'm rocking out tonight.
So being able to multitask by playing the drums and freestyling like you did in Colombia, how was that?
That it was cool, but it takes a lot of coordination. Keep full limbs going and singing at the same time. But it was cool though. Great experience.
Alright, so we're gonna see you later. We appreciate you for all that you do in contribution to the band.
Fredo. That's that 14-inch snare I was telling y'all about. Peace, Troy Last Band, baby.
Alright. That's Troy. He's putting together all the final touches for tonight. So yeah, that is a little bit about what goes down as we set up for our show tonight. So we're expecting a couple hundred people tonight. And hold on. Okay. Somebody forgot their stuff still out here? What keyboard is it?
Oh, that's Jake's guitar.
Okay. So yeah, we're expecting about a couple hundred people tonight. It's going to be lit. And this is the venue, y'all. I want y'all to see the venue. So y'all can actually see that all of this will be filled with a lot of people.